Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Seagate IronWolf hard drive. Now, this is the hard drive right here, and in this video, we're going to talk about some of the features that it offers, as well as run a speed test on it and see how well it performs. Now, the first thing I want to mention about this hard drive is this is a hard disk drive. This is a mechanical hard drive. It is not a solid state drive, but it is going to work really well for a NAS setup. Now, one reason this hard drive works really good with a NAS system and setup is because this hard drive has been built with a NAS enclosure, meaning it's really designed to limit the amount of noise and vibration that this hard drive emits and try and keep it as stable as possible. Another great feature about this hard drive is it is a 7200 RPM hard drive, meaning it is spinning a little bit faster than those 5600s that you do see. That means usually it's able to write a little bit more data faster as it is spinning quicker. Now, there's some other cool features about this hard drive, like being able to monitor the health of the drive using the integrated IronWolf health management system. However, I haven't really used those. I was more interested in the read and write speeds coming from this hard drive. So let's jump in and take a look at how those measure up. Now, I'm going to speed up a very basic read and write test that I performed on this hard drive after having a lot of data on the actual drive, and let's see how the results measure up. Now, if we look at the disk read speed here, it came in at 221 megabytes per second. If we take a look at the disk write speed, it came in at 279 megabytes per second. Please remember these results are specific to my system and my setup, and your results may vary. Overall, I'm really pleased with those results, and I've copied a lot of data onto this hard drive and off of this hard drive. I've launched softwares from this hard drive, and I've even played games off of this exact hard drive, and I've seen incredible performance and had no issues with this hard drive whatsoever. And for that reason, I highly recommend this Seagate IronWolf hard drive. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.